I'm Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances, and I'm right in front of this GE Profile dryer. This is a model PTD60EBSRWS, and this is GE's Energy Star dryer. So there's not a lot of Energy Star dryers available. So if you have an electrical program that'll give you a rebate on appliances that are E-Star, this is an easy way to get an E-Star dryer that is a great dryer that matches their full-size washer. Now, what you're going to find is that it's going to be a very, very large capacity. So inside, anything you're going to pull out from their washer, it's going to fit right into this dryer. I'm not a huge fan of talking cubic footage all the time because really, how much more are you going to put into a washer other than a king-size comforter? And it will fit in this machine, into your washer and then subsequently into your dryer. That will fit in this dryer, a king-size comforter. So as we look at this, it's going to be pretty straightforward. There is a lot of options. This unit's very easy to use. If you just wanted to turn on the power, select your fabric size, and hit the start button, that's all you need to do. Now one thing, because this is an Energy Star dryer, the feature that GE has is called Eco Dry. Eco Dry is automatically going to default on normal towels and a couple other cycles. Now, what that cycle is a very, very low heat. So you're not going to get the best drying results. Now you can turn that off. All you have to do is press that Eco Dry, and that will turn off that cycle. So if you have this machine and you're experiencing drying issues, make sure this is not depressed because it will take many hours to clean a very large, to dry a very large load of clothes if this is selected. It's designed to be a very, very low heat from the dryer. If you have any questions about this dryer or any other dryers that we offer, go to donsappliances.com. But this GE Profile dryer is an excellent choice.